Today we're going to learn about the microbit. First, we're going to go to makecode.org. Wait for that to load. Okay, when you go to that site, this is what it will look like. We're going to choose microbit. And here's what you will have on your screen when you first open up the website. Here you can see the microbit example. This will show us what our code is going to do when we actually download it to the microbit. So you can kind of test it here before you go through the trouble of downloading it. Here you can see all of the different options for code that we will be using. And then over here on this side is where we will actually build the code. So you can see there's already an OnStart and a Forever block here. And what we're working with today is block coding. So these blocks kind of fit together. You'll see in a second we're going to drag them around and they fit together like puzzle pieces. So we're just going to get started and do a really simple project just to learn about how it works. First, we're going to take this Forever block and we're going to trash it. And to do that, we're going to click on it and hold it down. So you're dragging it over until you see the trash can and let it go. And it's gone. So first thing that we're going to make our microbit do is show an icon here on the LED lights, which are these little squares in the middle. Those are lights. So to do that, we're going to choose Basic. And basic options, you have show number, show LEDs, show icon, show string, Forever, pause, and OnStart. So if you picked the show LEDs block, you would get to make your own icon, but we are going to use choose icon or show icon. So I just picked it up and I dragged it and I linked it into the OnStart. And then if you click here in the drop down menu, you can see all of the different options you have for icons you can choose. So I'm going to choose the big heart. Actually, I'm going to pick a different one so you can see it change. I'm going to choose this square. And you can see that it made our sample show a square. So you can pause it right here and you can play it again and see what it's going to look like. So that is our first project. We are going to save it as a square. So you can see down here there's a download button and then a square where you can input a name. I'm going to name it Square. And I'm going to click Save. And it already downloaded it, but I'm going to show you how to download it too. You're going to click Download. And it's going to download into your wherever your download files are. So after you download it, don't open the file because it's a hex file. It will not open on your computer. You do not have an application that will open it. So you are going to open it and then go to your downloads and you'll see it right here. You can pick it up, and if I had my microbit attached to my computer, I could drag it to the microbit over here on the left. And then that's how you would get it to your microbit. Now that we saved that as a square, you can go to My Projects and you can start a new project. So to do that, you would click on this new project right here and it would bring up an empty screen for us to start over. I want you to note that your projects, you did not create a login for this website, so your projects aren't saved to you, they're just saved to the computer that you're using. So keep that in mind. Whenever you make a project, it's not going to be on every computer that you use. I hope this helped, and I can't wait to see all the fun things that you can do with the microbit and the MakeCode website.